I'm going to show you how to make your beard look thicker within 24 hours. By the end of this video and by tomorrow, you're gonna look like a Greek god with that beard, bro. Let's hop into this. Number one, and the most important thing is that you have to have some sort of facial hair. Start letting it grow out. So to be fair, you should start this video in about 2 weeks, and then in 24 hours you'll have a beard. But the goal here is to see what you got working with, right? To see where your patches are, see where your problem areas are, see how thick or thin your hair is. You need to let your beard grow out for at least 2 weeks, so that way you can get started in making it look fuller and thicker. This takes me to number 2. I need you to brush daily. See, every time you brush, you're stimulating your hair follicles on top of, if you're using a quality brush like this one, it's usually made out of something like boar's hair bristle, which that natural hair bristle also helps with spreading out the oils that your beard is naturally producing throughout evenly. This does 2 things. 1, it keeps your beard hydrated and full. And 2, you can train your beard to lay in a certain direction. So when you see you have certain problem areas, every time you brush, you want to brush in a way or in a direction where you're training your beard to cover those areas. Number 3, trim it down. You can use either an electric trimmer or small scissors. Small scissor gives you more precision without having to take away so much beard. So after you're done brushing, look at yourself in the mirror, and any little wiry hair you see, I want you to trim that down to keep your beard as concise as possible. See, when you have it all at one level, your beard tends to look thicker and fuller versus having wiry hair sticking all over the place and making your beard look frizzy. This pair of scissors comes from our new beard kit, where today, just now, we dropped brand new beard products, including this beard kit that comes with a scissor, 2 boar's hair bristle brushes, and a comb. And we didn't even stop there. See, I want you guys to test this out. We created a 24-hour beard kit with our new product as well. So for the next 24 hours, this is a brand new product, our bundle of our beard care kit, our beard growth kit, and our new beard pen to allow you to fill in those problem areas instantly. That complete bundle, we're calling it our 24-hour beard kit bundle. For the next 24 hours only, you're gonna get a 50% discount. You heard that right, boys. These are brand new products, which means these are probably gonna fly. They're not gonna last long. And for the next 24 hours, you're getting 50% off brand new product that we just dropped, just so you can have a solid beard by tomorrow. Yo, what are you doing? I'm hooking it up. Bro, what do you got to lose? Other than looking great. If you guys want to check it out, click that link down below. This takes me to number 4. You're going to want a derma roll. So I'm showing you how to grow a beard and making it look good by tomorrow, but one of the structural aspects of growing a beard is actually having hair. And in those problem areas, you can stimulate hair growth even if you're not getting any hair growing. So derma rolling is a great way to do this. I like to do 3 passes. You usually want to start going with the grain of your beard, then you want to go against the grain of your beard, and ultimately I like to go horizontally. You can do this at least once a week, and derma rolling has been scientifically proven to help stimulate hair growth. You can look into it. It actually works, which is why we included it in a 24-hour beard growth kit. This is a crucial aspect, which takes us to number 5. Use some sort of serum. So when I started growing my beard hair process, you can go back on YouTube and watch those videos. I use something called minoxidil, which is great. It's basically like Rogaine, and it's used to help regrow some of your lost hair. So again, it's meant for topical hair use and not on your face. I decided to use it on my face. Many others did as well, and it does work. However, it comes with side effects like itchiness, scaly, redness, a lot of stuff that most people didn't want to deal with. That is why with grooming, we also came up with an oil. See, there are certain oils that you can buy at your grocery store. You can find them. Natural stuff that's also been scientifically proven to help regrow your hair, like your castor oil, your turmeric, your biotin. These are natural ingredients that have 0 side effects, but also have the same adverse effect of stimulating hair growth. Number 6, line it up. Like I mentioned previously, when you keep your beard tidy and trimmed up, it tends to look fuller. So if you got a good barber, if you don't know how to do it yourself, go to your barber and ask him to line it up and keep it as thick as possible. You want to go right under the cheekbone, and for the bottom area, you want to stop right where your jawline meets your neckline. Keep that area as thick as possible, and usually with the straight razor, you're able to remove a lot of the surrounding peach fuzz to kind of concentrate it all in one area, which overall gives you that shadow effect that makes it look better. Which finally rolls us to number 7, use a beard filler. There's tons of different beard fillers you can use. You can even use eyeliner from women to do this, or you can use a beard filling pen. Again, we just dropped our brand new beard filling pen with Heat Grooming, added it to that 24 hair bundle because it literally makes you look like you have a full beard by the next day. This entire process, you're not only actually growing your hair throughout the process, you're gonna make sure your beard always looks great and full every single day, even if you don't got hair right now.